Good morning and what is up? It's Sunday morning, it's 8 a.m. here in Philippines, Cebu City. It's bright and sunny and it's a good thing we're having a good weather today. I hope you guys are keeping safe, wearing your mask at all times and keeping the social distance to protect yourself from the COVID-19. In this video, I will basically install or upgrade my headlamp to an LED bulb, which is currently the high beam is currently in halogen and the lower beam is in an LED bulb, but it's just that it's not as bright enough as I want it to be. I've ordered 2 boxes just 3 weeks ago in Lazada, and they have all this crazy sale that's going on. It's cheaper, so I've ordered for the H4 and the HB3 light bulb socket, and I'm gonna be installing it shortly. First of all, I will basically unbox it, and I'm not just basically gonna be doing a review, straight away on point, straightforward of installing and see how it goes. And let's get into it. Here are the 2 boxes that I've ordered online, and which one of these is for the high beam and the other one is going to be for the low beam. So start off with this. So the LED bulb that I ordered is it's from basically originally from China, and it's an NOVSight or NOVSight, or yeah, I've seen good reviews of this LED, and it does pretty good job actually, and the light output is as for other reviewers out there is that it's bright, and build quality is good, light output is bright, and so on and so forth. So the reason being is that why I bought this, it's cheaper, and yeah, like I said earlier, the store that's basically selling this is having an online sale, and I wanted to get the opportunity to give it a try, give it a shot, and probably do some reviews and all that stuff, and see how it looks like from my car, from a Mazda 3. Here it is. This is probably the this is the 9005 or the HB3, so this is gonna be for my high beam. And yeah, sorry about earlier I said H4, it's basically H11. This is for my basic my lower beam headlamp. So for NOVSight, they claimed that this is a newer product that they advertise. I was skeptical of ordering this because there are other good LED bulbs out there in the market, and it's a little bit more expensive than this. It's just that this is have a reasonable price of purchasing this, and like I said, a lot of customers out there, clients out there who actually use this light bulb, and they said it's actually good. Oh, interesting. They have gloves. Why would I need the gloves for installation? Okay, so pretty standard. Light bulb itself, heatsink, and yeah, they said that when they claim that it's a new product, I think what it means is the heatsink. I'm not sure, but we'll see about that. So put that aside. Another glove, so I wouldn't be using the glove. So all right, so pretty stuff, pretty standard, plug and play, and let's install this baby. Okay, nope, here we go. There are 2 ways you can basically install the lower beam, because it's pretty far behind of this panel right here. So in some videos, the method of installing the high beam is removing the the side panel here, and some remove the bumper or whatnot. So right here, the other method is basically, if you have small hands, you can basically reach out and just make your way in, and you can actually feel the bulb, the socket, in your hands. You can just basically just twist it and you'll be able to remove it. And as for the high beam, it's just pretty much right here, so it's pretty easy. The passenger side, it's pretty straightforward. You can see it right here, it's accessible, and as well as for the high beam, it's just right there. So it's right here. I'll start off with removing the stock head bulb that I have. You know, you can actually remove it with one hand, so pretty amazing, you know. As for the high beam, let me just reach it out. Just gonna unplug this. There you go. So this is the old one, so I'm gonna dispose of this. So goodbye, bye. So I'm installing right now the H11. So this is the H11 before, and this guy was right here, and now I'm gonna be replacing with this new one. Okay, so right, first of all is connect this to this connector. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, like so. You know, it's interesting, the ballast is really small, and we'll see about that. And then screw this in. And there you go. Next is the low beam. There you go. And the next thing is place this bulb right inside to the socket. So I'm gonna place my hand. So all I need to do is basically find that hole and you know, twist and turn till your bulb fits in. There you go. Safe and secure. Wow. Next one is the other side. To remove the passenger side, just twist the bulb to the left, anti-clockwise, and pull it out. There you go. Wow, it's interesting. I can do it with one hand. Now, you know how amazing, you know, wearing a gloves when you're doing something like this, automotive or whatnot. It's basically, you know, protecting your hand from getting wounds and all that's scalded. So it's a good job. Okay, so both sides, high beam and low beam, are installed. That's it for my installation video, or rather I would say, how do I install or upgrade headlight, low beam and high beam on a Mazda 3 2016. I will upload, include the before and after video, you know, comparison of the before and after of the installation. And if you like this video, hit that like, and you know, leave your comments below if there's any other mods that you want me to do and share it with you guys. I would be happy to share with you. Yeah, and stay safe, keep your distance, keep yourself protected, and see you soon. Peace out.